Morning guys, welcome to my channel Rider Moto Diaries. Actually today we are headed for Malsej Ghat and it is raining very heavily for the last 2 days. So I'm standing below this tree and here's my bike. So I'm waiting for my friend to join. I don't know where he is and how much time will he take. But I don't know, I can remove the camera again out because of the rain. So stay tuned, we will directly meet in Malsej Ghat.
If you are from Mumbai-Pune region, then there is no way that you wouldn't know about the Malsej Ghat and how it looks during the monsoon, as most of the people from both these parts starts flocking here once it starts raining. The most beautiful face of this ghat can be seen during this time, especially the waterfall in middle of the road. For the past few Sunday, we were planning to ride to this place, but on first Sunday it got postponed to second Sunday, and during second Sunday it was raining since morning, so it got shifted to third Sunday. And to our surprise, it was raining very badly since Saturday night. When we got up in the morning, it was still raining badly, but I decided to go as the plan has been postponed for the past few weeks. While riding, we got to know that the Kalyan route is already flooded, so we cannot take that route. So we rode straight in that highway, and even on this highway some parts were submerged and almost all the rivers were overflowing, and to add to the difficulty, the rain was bashing us continuously. As the Kalyan route was already closed due to flood, we tried another route which could lead to Murbad. But before we could reach Murbad, there was an overflowing river across a bridge, as most of the dams were opened. There a person said even the route past Asangao is also closed. I was thinking of crossing this, as I saw two persons trying to cross it by foot. I stood there to see how deep the water is. In some time the water came above their waist level, so they returned back without crossing. As all the access was denied, though I would wait so that the water level goes down. A person standing close to me said that his house is right after this bridge, and he has been waiting here since yesterday night 10 p.m. for the water level to recede. So decided that even if we try and any other route, we may get stuck while returning back due to the rising water levels in the river and the non-stop rain. So we rode back safely towards home, but I will get to the ride again next week for sure.